Good morning, dear students. Welcome in Ambuja Public School. Welcome in virtual classes of Class 1 English. Myself, Shobha Sharma, as your English subject teacher. You are thinking about what is the topic for today? Yes, your topic for today. Yes, related to things you can see everywhere. Butterfly, tree, happiness. The main idea behind today's topic is happiness. Yes, it is your unit 1, poem 1, A Happy Child. This is your first poem of unit 1 from your Marigold book. Its poet is unknown. Now look at these pictures carefully. What is the expression of this baby? Oh, it is so sad, isn't it? This smiley is crying. Oh, this is also crying. Which expression is this girl is showing? Angry. This girl is angry. Whereas this girl is laughing, full of laughter. Oh, this man is full of joy. Ha ha ha. So, I am going to ask you which one you want to like, would you want to like, be like? You want to cry or you want to be happy as the child is in this poem. Here you can see a happy child. Why this child is happy? Because the child is near the natural things like trees, grass, and the child is enjoying swinging. The child is enjoying swinging on the tree. Her house is near. Her house color is red. Okay, I am going to read this poem for you. My house is red, a little house. A happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long. I hardly ever cry. I have a tree, a green, green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit. When all my play is done, what does the child want to say? The child wants to say that she is enjoying her life after completing her daily routine. She play a lot, and her house is near a tree, a green tree. And what is the color of her house? Her house color is red. So I think this girl's favorite colors are red and green. She never cries, as the line is here. I hardly ever cry. This girl never cries. Why? Because she laugh and play whole day long. She laugh and play whole day. After finishing her routine work, after playing and all these things, what she does? She sit under the tree. Why? Because trees give her shade from the sun. Now, this is the color of that girl's house. Which color house she is having? Red house. Now, I am going to tell you more about the poem. The girl's house is red and it is little. It is not too big. Okay? The child is happy. She laugh and play. She hardly ever cry means she never cry. She has a tree and that tree's color is green. The tree gives her shade from the sun. See the uses of tree. Tree gives us shade also. When she complete her work, she sits under the tree. When she finished her playing and all these things, she is very, very happy child. As you can see, the face of this child, she is a happy child. She is enjoying swinging. She enjoys playing. Do you like to play? Okay. I know you like to play. This poem tells us about the benefits of trees also, that trees give us shade and fruits. Trees are not only helpful for us, but trees gives food and shelter to birds also. As you can see, there are lots of birds are sitting under the tree and one bird is eating beetle. So the poem's keywords are cry, red, sun and day. CRY cry, RED red, SUN sun and DAY day. These are the keywords of this poem. And rhyming words of this poem are: I have a tree, a green, green tree to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. So, sun, sun and done. These are the rhyming words from this paragraph, this stanza. And in next stanza, my house is red, a little house, a happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long, I hardly ever cry. So, I and cry. These are rhyming pair of this stanza. So, what is the summary of the poem? I hope you got. Okay, let me tell you. The summary of the poem is the child is very, very happy because he lives near the tree. Her house color is red. She enjoys swinging on the tree. She enjoys her life. She is a happy child. You also be happy. You should be happy every time. Okay? So this is the summary of the poem. That's all for today. Thank you.